Hi, this is Martin Howey, and I have a question for you, a very serious question. What would you do if someone was trying to steal your reputation? They were doing everything possible and taking every minute of their life to try to destroy you and your company and your family's reputation, your ability to make an income, make a living. What if that person bought something from you and they didn't do anything with it and they tried to return it and they complained because they didn't get the service that you promised you would give them? But then you went back and you answered all of their questions. In fact, you really over-delivered for them, but that wasn't enough. They went on Ripoff Report and challenged you and put up an article that talked about who you are and how you had underserved them. So then you go on Ripoff Report and you respond, and you answer every single question. And then they go on to respond to your comments, and then you go back and respond to theirs. And that's not good enough because they can see they're getting nowhere with you. So then they decide to take you to the Attorney General and file a complaint. When the Attorney General sends out the information to you, you answer it, go back to the Attorney General, and this Attorney General summarily dismisses the case as being baseless. Well, that's not enough. So they decide to take you to Justice Court, and they sue you in court. So you both show up. They present their case, you present your case, and your evidence is so overwhelmingly positive in your favor that they don't even stand a chance. And so the judge awards in your favor. But that's not enough. Now they go out and they take your personal name and register a domain name in it and put up a website in yourname.org because you didn't file that name or register that name. Now they're doing everything they can to post negative comments on that to try to attract attention and put it up on Google so people will see it when they search on your name. What would you do? How do you handle that situation? Well, you can't pay them off because the damage is already done. It's already out there. And once it's on the internet, it's really tough to take down. So what do? Sue the person? They don't have anything. You're not going to get anything from them. So how do you handle this? Do you post a revengeful website to try to destroy that person? Or do you look at it as a marketing opportunity? And that's what we've done. You see, this person says he's got several people that have come to him and seen his website and say, I agree with you, he doesn't deliver, but I don't want to give you my name, I want to remain anonymous. Well, if he's got these people who are remaining anonymous, or at least he says they are, how fair is that? If you're looking at our program, trying to figure out if it's right for you, or if you're selling a product or service, do you want to know whether or not to get involved with this person? Wouldn't it be nice to know what other people had to say? You don't have that concept. You don't have that opportunity to do that. You see, if he doesn't give you the names, it doesn't tell you who they are, how do you know if they're real? How do you know you can check them out? Now, on the other hand, we're completely open. We'll put out there all the testimonials that we have. We have video testimonials, audio testimonials, we have written testimonials. You can check me out on LinkedIn.com and see the recommendations that people make about me and about our program. We're a completely open book. I put my phone number, I put my email address on there. You can contact me on my private line. So what we've done is we've taken a look at this and said, you know, by him posting negative comments, he's bringing eyes to this situation that may have never known about who we are or what we do. And when they look at what he's written and what he's posted and see my comments, you know, they're going to check us out. And they're going to find out exactly who he is and what he's done, and the fraudulent things he says, and the way he represents himself as being totally poor, yet he has a couple of websites that talk about how to become wealthy. And I have all of those posted on our website. We've got several people who have looked at us and commented to us and said, hey, who is this kook? Who is this nut? Who is this guy that needs to get a life and figure out what life is all about? It's not about destroying someone. It's about seeing we can add value. And we show how we've over and over and over delivered to make sure that he gets the value from the training he got from us. But he just refuses to take us up on it. Well, you can get all the information on a website, special post that we put up. And you can find out for yourself just who this person is. But more important than that, I'm not so concerned about that. What I'm really concerned about is you. How would you handle this situation? What would you do? Would you roll over and just let it go, thinking, well, it might go away sometime, while this person continues to post and post and post negative comments about you? Would you do that? Would you go back and try to destroy him with a revengeful kind of website and post? Would you do that? Or would you look at this and say, you know, this is a great marketing opportunity? Because there's no such thing as bad publicity. It's just how you perceive it and how you turn it and how you twist it and how you take advantage of it. He's bringing eyes to us that would never have seen us before. He's causing people to look at it and say, is this guy really a fraud? Does he really not deliver? And then when they check us out, they see the overwhelming amount of testimonials and evidence that shows we have people that are making mid-six, and seven-figure incomes doing exactly what we teach them to do. Then they get a more true picture. So the question for you is, and I'll leave this with you, what would you do? How would you handle this situation? Hey, I'm interested. You want to leave a comment? You want to drop us a note? I'd sure appreciate it. I hope this has served you. I hope this has helped you. I know it's been a real challenge for us to figure out what to do. And we finally looked at it as not a negative, but as a positive for us. It made all the sense in the world. And it's making us money as well. So I need to just thank that person for all the negative comments they post, because we come right back with all of the answers and the proof that we've way over-delivered whatever we promised him. So thanks for watching. I hope this has helped you.